Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Level English, your daily dose of English immersion. And today we're going to follow a quick story about a typical day in New York. For a boost learning experience, try listening to each sentence in English and slow English first, and then watch it again, repeating each sentence, maximizing your absorption. Oh, and don't worry, the entire video has subtitles in English. So get comfortable, listen close, and let's get started.
Hello. My name is Emma. Today is Friday. I will tell you about my day. Hello. My name is Emma. Today is Friday. I will tell you about my day. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. My cat, Minnow, is on my bed. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. My cat, Minnow, is on my bed. I get out of bed slowly. I get out of bed slowly. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth carefully. I brush my teeth carefully. Then I put on a blue dress. I choose black shoes to match. I choose black shoes to match. In the kitchen, I make breakfast. In the kitchen, I make breakfast. First, I make coffee. I pour it into my favorite mug. I cut some fruits, an apple, and a banana. I put them on a plate. I toast a bagel. I spread a little butter on it. I sit at the table. I listen to a podcast and eat slowly. The weather is nice. I see the sun through the window. At 8 a.m., I leave my apartment. I walk to the subway station. The subway is fast. It is easier than driving. On the subway, I watch a French lesson on my phone. I work in a big office. My colleagues are nice. We say hello in the morning. We have a meeting. I talk about our project. I explain the details. My boss smiles and says, "Good job, Emma." At noon, I eat lunch with friends. We go to a small diner. I order a sandwich. We talk about our week. We laugh at funny stories. After work, I go home. It's Friday. I take a warm shower. I put on a red dress. I look in the mirror. At 8 p.m., I meet my friends at a bar. The bar has music playing. We order cocktails. We try some appetizers. We dance to the music. We dance to the music. We have a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun. Late at night, I go home. Late at night, I go home. I am tired but happy. I am tired but happy. Tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday. I can sleep late. I can sleep late. I plan to visit a museum with friends. I plan to visit a museum with friends. Before sleeping, I think about my future. Before sleeping, I think about my future. I want a new job. I want a new job. I have dreams and I will work hard. I have dreams and I will work hard. I smile. I have good friends and a job. I smile. I have good friends and a job. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow is a new day. Thank you for listening to my story. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you liked my Friday. I hope you liked my Friday. I loved it. I loved it. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Impressive how easy it is, isn't it? Now, a quick tip to improve your English speaking. Repeat each sentence right after you hear it. This is what we call shadowing, emphasizing the pronunciation. This way, your facial muscles adapt to the new language. It seems simple, and actually it is, but it makes all the difference.